The digital market industry is worth over $65 billion for those who use internet tools to make passive income. In 2019 alone, Fashion Nova spent $40 million on social media influencers. Thus, the industry has space for beginners committed to making some extra $200. For today's video, we will share passive income 2022 ideas that actually work for beginners. Let us begin. Number 5. Social media. This idea works for those with a huge following on social media. Businesses have an open door for influencers who might post their products to a larger audience. It is not too late if you do not have a massive Instagram, Snapchat, or TikTok following. Anyone can get the audience's attention with the right consistent content. Find what makes you unique online and create engaging posts to grow your reach and engagements. Once that is settled, your social media presence can be leveraged and become how to make passive income online. In fact, Instagram and Facebook pay over 50% of the income generated from in-stream ads featured in your video content. Aside from that, you can approach growing businesses and offer your services with a guaranteed estimated reach and meaningful content. Once you start working with a few brands, others will notice you and keep getting in touch. However, that means you continue appealing to the audience and constantly invest in delivering what they want from you. Otherwise, you could easily burn out.
I'm tired of trying to be something that I'm not.
Another passive income idea that works well with your social media presence is creating a course. If you have an expertise on social media that fans admire, they might also want to learn how to do it. Shortly, we will tell you how to make money off those teachable skills. Number 4. Digital product flipping. We can all appreciate the advantage of finding something that we want online. It offers great comfort, and we might be willing to pay extra to avoid running around searching for it. If you have been in this situation, you would be the best person to enter the world of passive income ideas for beginners by flipping products on eBay or Amazon. First, find the right and reliable sources that can provide huge discounts on products that nobody else can find. Those are from family-owned convenience shops and organic farms in your community. Then you sell them at market prices on the online sales platforms to make passive income. The difference in your purchase and sale prices will be your profits. Ensure that your choice of products has a huge market and your suppliers can agree to an arrangement where you pay for the products after you receive online orders. Number 3. Create a course. One of the most popular passive income ideas 2022 is designing an audio or video course for sale. These courses do not need academic experience to build. You can find a few online and research the best templates to create them. Sometimes people assume that the courses need to be certificate attached or highly accredited, but that is false. For instance, if you are an interior designer, you will know how one designs a space successfully. Therefore, split those processes into chapters and give detailed explanations with examples. Alternatively, you will offer the introduction free and request that people pay if they want to go to the next level. That has always worked as an excellent marketing tool. No need for promo, as your expertise speaks for itself. Your courses could be distributed through Skillshare, Coursera, and Udemy. Udemy's mission is to provide flexible, effective skill development to empower organizations and individuals. If you are up to this task, join the train and watch as the passive income flows in from the sales. If you want to create more than a course, why don't you write an ebook that shares this information in detail and with little production cost? Soon, we will discuss how ebooks are catalysts for marketing other businesses while making passive income. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Like social media promotion, content creators share a third party's product as part of their content through a link.
I could do that.
The strategy is for the audience to buy through those links so that they receive a percentage of the profits. It also builds your engagement in the niche that you are selling within. Amazon's affiliate marketing program is the largest due to its product catalog. The world's largest e-commerce company has over 12 million products on sale that need affiliate marketers to help push. According to BigCommerce.com, Amazon's marketplace, a platform for third-party sellers to sell through Amazon's website and warehouses, brings the number of products to over 350 million. Besides Amazon, other large online e-commerce platforms like Allwyn, eBay, etc. have affiliate programs. Many small and medium businesses also have smaller affiliate marketing programs that could bring passive income 2022. If you are a beginner looking to make some money with digital marketing and other passive income streams, kindly subscribe to our channel for more. Number 1. eBook. Writers struggle to find the right agents and publishing houses to give them their first boost.
I'm tired of trying.
Notwithstanding, the excitement to share these stories and ideas need to be distributed somehow. Thus, writing ebooks is an easy way to publish books at almost no cost. With online stores ready to distribute, millions of buyers could experience your ebook. Further, this type of book is often short and requires fewer credentials to complete. The unique topic and information you offer can offer readers what they need but do not have. You can share these books on various platforms and make quick money for other things you offer, like your podcast, audio, and video courses, or affiliate marketing links. Ebooks are a part of a larger business, and they promote something the writer is already doing. It would be beneficial to have a marketing tool like promotion on social media or reviews on trusted websites. Many of you are watching this video because you have quite quit your jobs. The term does not mean you have resigned, just mentally checked out of the job. If you did not know about it, we made a video explaining quiet quitting your job. Is it right for you? What you need to know about quiet quitting.